Hi, I'm Matt from Matt Hearts Ice Cream. Today we're trying Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month, the Cotton Candy Blizzard. Yeah, I'm talking fast because I'm really excited about this because, one, I love blizzards. Blizzards are so much fun. And two, this is cotton candy, which just be like cotton candy and icing and stuff like that. Unfortunately, they don't have the sprinkles. My Dairy Queen does not have the sprinkles, so I'm just gonna have to like review it sprinkleless. So like whatever I give it, like add like 20% for the sprinkles being awesome in terms of this. So let's. Oh yeah. The Cotton Candy Blizzard is 620 calories for a small with 23 grams of fat. So it's totally a sometimes food. Yeah. And remember, the more exercise you get, the more ice cream you get to eat. Alright, alright. Oh, it's not as cotton candy as some of the other cotton candy ice creams that I've had before, so it's kind of a meh right there. Yeah, I think it would totally benefit from the sprinkles because, like, it's alright, but, like, man, it needs, like, a little pop or a crunch or something in there to be pretty snazzy. So, yeah, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to give Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month, the Cotton Candy Blizzard, 3 scoops of happiness.